Here I'm just giving you the ingredients and steps to make vada pav, healthy vada pav at home and sukhi chutney that is of garlic. First of all, boil some potatoes and rinse the hot water. Peel off the potatoes and just mash it out. Add the dry masalas and basic masalas you have to add. And then for chutney, you have to take the masalas I have shown in the plate and then make potatoes, mashed potatoes, sabzi, and then fry it as shown in the video. Just follow it, and it's very simple and easy. It's very simple and easy, and make it at home. Enjoy with your family and dear ones. If you like spicy, then add green chili, slit it, and just fry it in the oil and just have the vada pav. Thank you.